result. If you believe in this kind of stuff, she actually has, sorry about that, she actually has separate star signs because they're born on different sides of the cusp of that. But she was born and I wasn't at all thinking about sparks of songs or anything like that. It was a medical emergency, everyone was fine. But she got her song 4 years later. This one features a cardboard box played in the percussion section. If you want to show your instrument off. All we put in the rider is that they don't order that from Amazon. Anyway, here's the song for Grayson.
What's your name? Grace.
You can't fool me, I saw you